Prosoyo Technology Limited, a leading provider of contract manufacturing services. Our logistics center and finance office are located in Hong Kong and operations in mainland China with over 400 staff. State-of-the-art facilities with a production floor area of over 2,600 square meters. Our custom-made MRP system allows us to handle everything from small runs to mass productions, covering all basic needs for electronic product manufacturing, from SMD to whole assembly, final assembly of finished products with full packaging and drop shipping directly to your customer if needed. Production capacity of 2 million SMD placements a day. ISO 9001 accredited since the year 2000, Prosoyo Technology strives for continuous improvement in the workplace on quality, flexibility, and effective communication. Our services include new product development and design, prototyping and pre-production, surface mount and ball grid array assembly, through-hole assembly, casing assembly and complete unit assembly, in-circuit testing, functional testing and system testing, packaging and distribution. In addition to contract manufacturing, Prosoyo Technology also provides product design services. We work to ensure that all of our designs are designed for manufacturing. A well-trained, highly motivated design engineering team to undertake any part of the design process to suit your needs. Innovative concepts, pre-production, top-class manufacturing. Prosoyo Technology maintains stringent quality control throughout the production process. Inspections do not create quality. Quality is made in the manufacturing. Quality is not just about the organization, but the whole supply chain system. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, and skillful execution. It represents the wisest choice of many alternatives. Quality is not expendable, even in return for money. Monthly target review meetings, chaired by our Vice President with members of key departments. Data review of all indexes and the need of assigning a special task team. Study possible areas for improvement and revision of index targets. Other than regular production testings required by customers, an end-user evaluation process is also implemented for every production batch. Using the first 5 units, our QA examines the product by the procedures in the user manual to verify that it functions perfectly from the end-user point of view. Quality, our unyielding principle. Consistent, meticulous quality control to assure a high quality level and instant feedback of quality status at every stage of the production, to the benefit of our customers and our company. Our custom-made MRP system is specially tuned for the size and capability of our factory. Maximum flexibility and efficiency for different customers' needs, from medium to large production batch runs and high mixes of low volume production runs. Delivery of goods to worldwide destinations via our Hong Kong Logistics Center in coordination with our team in mainland China to keep our OEM partners on the forefront of the international EMS industry. Prosoyo Technology, a team working together for excellence. Close coordination across our operations in mainland China and Hong Kong. Our prompt response policy, reply to customers' emails within 24 hours. We carefully review each customer's inquiries and instructions to deliver timely, conscientious responses with effective communication in English. From our sales and marketing, purchasing, production and material control to engineering teams, to capitalize on business opportunities in a dynamic global market. Prosoyo Technology, a team continuously fostering innovative designs and the highest quality standards in contract manufacturing. Comprehensive, flexible production supported by effective communication. Supporting our customers in product development to stay ahead of the game. Prosoyo Technology, your key partner in the global EMS business.